Hello, planner lovelies. How are you guys doing? I'm doing good. I know that I went MIA for a week, and I am truly sorry about that, but I don't think anybody really missed me. If you did, definitely hit that like button. But I had a migraine last week, and it persisted from Thursday prior to... It basically lasted an entire week. I ended up missing a bit of work. So, but we are going to jump right in here. I am a member of the Plan With Me design group, and you can find a link in my description below, and that will get you to all of the planner friends in that group. And there's quite a few and some new ones. But this week is April 16th through the 22nd, which is Earth Day, and I have decided to use this kit from the Tassled Planner, which I bought so long ago, I think in December maybe. It is called Journey, and I'm sorry if I am winded, and I sound winded, but I was just running around the house like a crazy person. So really quick here, I will show you last week. So here is last week, and this is a kit from amandakcrafts. It was called Wine Down, like the wine you drink. As you can see, I had some, these were like my rough. This was 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 7 out of 10. I did not sleep Tuesday night at all. Decided to go into work a little bit later and stay in bed and see if I couldn't sleep, but I still didn't sleep. So I just went to work. And then I was sitting at work, and my, either my exhaustion or whatever caught up with me, and I started falling asleep. So I decided to leave work and come home. Should have probably just stayed home, but I was trying to be a good sport and not mess anybody up. So, but I do like how it came out. I feel like it is perfect with the colors of April. I love those bottom washi. So anywho, I am going to go over this kit with you. Here are the full boxes. The quote box says, "Find joy in your journey." Woo, excuse me. And then this one has your checklist, sidebar, weekly boxes, quarter boxes, some flags, some half boxes, and Bill Do stickers. Here are your date covers, one set of glitter headers, 2 little planners, a full set of regular headers, and then some little things. Bottom washi, some sidebar headers, habit trackers, weekend banner, and individual washi strips. And then on this page you have flagged quarter boxes, icons, circle icons, and then your full checklist. So for me, what I'm going to do, this is set up to be very no white space, and I have decided that I like white space. As you can see, I used the ombre list here. I did not alternate my full boxes, but I did the week prior, and I think I'm going to alternate them again because I'm going to use the checklist. These are obviously checklists that are very specific to this kit, and I'm not going to be able to use them with something else. Whereas I could possibly use these with something else. So I'm going to use those, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do, so I do like my to-dos at the top. So I'm going to keep my to-dos at the top. I am going to, actually, you know what? Because I'm using the full checklist, I'm going to do the full checklist at the top. I'm going to leave the center row open to do all of my day-to-day stuff, and then in the bottom I'm going to do the bottom washi in full boxes. I think that will be best. So I know I have been doing a lot of talk through Plan With Me's, and I've had some folks tell me that I'm really long-winded and I get distracted, and I don't want that to be a thing. So today we are just going to listen to some music and speed this up, do a little time lapse, and get this done. And I will talk to you guys again at the end. So if you've been around a while, you know what that means. Here we go. Alrighty guys, so here it all is. I pretty much only used the kit with the exception of the pay bills and payday sticker. I pulled that out from Sarah Elizabeth Prints. And yeah, I think it's gorgeous. I'm definitely going to use my Papermate Ink Joy Gel in this purple color for this week. And I feel like it brings in another aspect of purple. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and don't forget to check out the Plan With Me design group, and I will see you guys again real soon in my next video. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.